that time of year again when you give your furnace a routine checkup as we head into the colder season. There are two concerns for technicians when inspecting a furnace: clean filters and burners. Ensure your furnace is running properly. Rusty burners in your furnace's heat exchanger are a red flag and could put harmful gases into your home. There are some steps you can take to guarantee your furnace safely heats your home.
Customers should look at their filter once a month. Need to make sure that it's clean. We change it or check it whenever we're here, but that's twice a year, once during the spring and once during the fall.
And while checking furnaces, technicians also look for a 40 to 50 degree temperature split between the home air temperature and furnace heat output.